Here. Go over here. Go over here. So, push. There.
A little down, Grace.
I know. There's a P. Amazing letter finding. No, I'm doing it. Not doing it. Looks like we need to make it stronger. Which is the letter K? K. Okay, K. They point to K.
You do it.
Where?
Yeah, where is it?
K. There's K. Maya.
Okay, try again. K. No more. Maya?
My doorway. I'm trying to do this. K. Right here. There. Okay. There. K. Great. K. Which is the letter F? F. Where's F? Tell me.
You know. Where is F? You point to it. Good job.
Need some help? Quick. No. Now we need the letter F. I got it. Amazing. Are you taking a picture for me? M. Point there. Point. No. Daddy, help. No. There. Where's the letter X? Okay, X. I pointed it. No. X. Great. Quick. Now we need the letter Q. There's Q.
Good job, Gracie. You're very good with your letters.